This would most likely be our movement for the day on our GBP. The GBP USD will most likely go to a sell. Why are we going to be expecting that sell? First, we are in a downtrend. This is the trend. You can see that the market is giving us a series of lower low and lower high. Now here comes the lower high, which is the pullback. Now with this pullback, we should be expecting market to give us so much drop that we form a new by taking out the previous low. So with this movement right from there, we take the sell and hold it. Then it's going to take out the previous low. That is about 100 pips. So plus more than 100 pips grab on GBP, right? So going for the sell and hold your sell position for a new. So this is a potential 100 plus pips on. So guys, a bearish move for the day, what we be expecting. So let's see the shot from here, hereby giving us that drop for GBP USD. If in case market will change its movement and give us any other movement, I'll make sure I do the update and let you guys. So in order for you to start on the update, subscribe so don't miss out on the next update.